Hi everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel. So today is an update on the hashtag Scorched Earth Challenge that the lovely Dana started. Dana's Wanderlust Crochet, I'll link her below. So what it is when if you have a bunch of yarn that's been sitting around for a long time, you haven't used it yet, you use it. You make things with it. Give it away in giveaways, donate it, do yarn swaps, do something with it. All right, so at the end of this video, you will see a picture of my yarn pile, and then the next picture will be the yarn pile with a bunch of X's of the ones I've used up or that I'm giving away, etc. All right, so I'll show you something else that I made with one of the yarns. The yarn is actually Loops and Threads Rippling Wave Stripe, 200 gram ball, 366 yards, 50 acrylic, 50 polyester. The color is Blueberry Hill, and this is how it's wrapped. There was another piece going through the middle of the yarn ball, but I got this at Michael's, of course. It's Loops and Threads. So I used the entire thing to make a couple of items. All right, so I did not follow any patterns or tutorials or anything. I just decided, okay, what do I want to make? I tried a couple of things and it just wasn't working out for me. So I ended up just making a bag. And I really, really like this yarn. I mean, for a bag, it's great. All I did was I made a base on it, so it does sit flat. And I like the yarn because of the different shades of blue. I think it looks better right there. And then I just made a couple of straps so that this can go over your shoulder, like so. And it's a nice size. You know what I think is a great idea? When you go to Michael's or you go to a yarn store, take a bag with you that's about this size. And then, of course, when you're shopping, you can't fill your bag because people think you're stealing. But just put enough in your basket that will fit in a bag like this. And then leave the store. Can you do that? Sometimes I can. It's very hard though. But yeah, I know if say Michael's has stuff, yarn on sale, and they don't have much in stock, well, that's pretty depressing. Or not depressing, but disappointing. And so I would, just grab what I can and then leave because it's disappointing. But anyway, yeah. Just something to try out. That's why I never ever grab a cart when I'm going yarn shopping. Never. I grab a basket. Or sometimes I don't grab a basket and then I'm like juggling all the yarn balls to the cash register. But yeah. A basket's better because then you're not going to overspend too much. That's my thinking. All right, so there's that bag. And then with the same yarn, because I had some left over, I made another bag. And this is it, just a little one. And I think I told you these are just, did I tell you these are just double crochets in the round, actually. And then this one is, I made a triangle, so it was about this long, and I just folded it over and then sewed the sides up, and then just use some black because I ran out of blue, and plus I like an accent color, especially on these small bags. I don't know why, I just do. So I had the black, so I did that. This black, I don't know where it came from, don't know what kind of yarn it is. And then I decided, hey, and I need a flower. So I made a flower. I just kind of winged it, so I don't know exactly what I did. And I put a little bead in the middle. So that's a little purse. And this one also goes over the shoulder. Yeah, just like that. So just a little purse. I did not line it. It's best if you're going to be carrying your keys loose in here, or a nail file, something that will poke through. You really need to line it. But this stitch is, I think it's called a textured stitch, but I'm not sure. It's where you do a single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and then you alternate in the next row. You put your single crochet in your double crochet, and your double crochet in your single crochet. Yeah, some people use it. Actually, I have a tutorial for dishcloths for this stitch. It's a tutorial from a year ago, maybe. But anyway, so this is my little bag. And I had some sparkly blue yarn, so I'll put that in with the black. So what do you think? All right, so, okay, so the next item is what I'm wearing. I'll show this to you. This is just a summer top. Made a front panel, back panel. I use the same stitching that I used for the cardigan, the short sleeve brown cardigan that I made. And thank you so much for all your comments on that. Oh, thank you for your comments on all my videos. I love them. I love them. And so I left a slit here. This yarn is, I'll put the link below for the written pattern for this, for the cardigan that the lady made using these stitches. The yarn I use is Soho Envy. And it is 60 polyester, 20 cotton, 20 silk. This is hand washed, lay flat to dry, made in China. This is from Hirschner's. It's a medium 4. And I think when I showed this before, I couldn't find a color number or color name. Yeah. But I bought this from Hirschner's in a pack of 10. So for this top, I used, I got in, it's a little complicated. I got into the 5th ball, and I also got into the 6th ball because I was trying to pull out more red. Yeah, this kind of brightish red. I was trying to get more of that out so that I have it on the bottom. And I also did little sleeves. Well, a little cap. Trim basically, because that's how it turned out. So yeah, I was just trying to get more red. That brighter red, because I just like that pop. And the other 4 balls from the bag are in the giveaway. Yes, the giveaway. Make sure you go and enter that giveaway. It ends on the 29th. And today is, I don't know, 23rd, 24th of April. It'll be across the screen. All right, so I think that's it, guys. I am working on, what am I working on? A tutorial, of course, always. Oh yes, I'm working on something else with some more of the Scorched Earth Challenge yarn. I'm really going through that pile. And I love this. I absolutely loved it. Love it. I'm so glad that Dana, I'm so glad you came up with this, because it's making me take care of my yarn. And anybody can join in. Anybody that has a channel or doesn't have a channel. I have a Facebook group, which I'll put below. So if you want to do this challenge, by all means, do it and show what you've made on my channel or on Dana's. Yeah, it's really helpful, Dana, that you did this hashtag. anyway, it makes us accountable too, you know. Yes, I'll do this hashtag. And then, I mean, you got to stick to your word, of course. So yeah, someone, and I can't remember who it was, somebody in one of the comments before had said, you're going to have to add more stuff to that pile. I'm like, yeah, I think so. Because this challenge started March 1st, 2021, and goes to March 1st, 2022. I mean, it's only what, getting to the end of April, and I've almost gone through my whole pile. I mean, I didn't work everything up into an item, but I've done a yarn swap. I've done, I have some of it in a giveaway, and some of it I'm working into items that I'm absolutely loving. So, all right, you guys, I think that's it for my video today. Now, I'll have my Facebook page below. Please come and join us. And also, I'll link the video to my giveaway down below as well. And Tim Hortons cup. Hubby won this. There's a roll up the rim they used to have on the paper cups. They don't do that anymore. They have it online. So you have to scan your phone and everything. So he won this. So I thought that was kind of cool. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm drinking water. Yes, I am. All right, so guys, take care and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Probably, well, I'll see you next week. And love you all. God bless you all. Bye for now.